Most Valuable Player Award, I could be up for 10 minutes telling you what the award stands for. But I'm going to cut it real short and real right to the point. Most Valuable Player Award, there has to be one. Because the person that gets this award is a person that you want always on the field. Because they just make things happen. And they have a lot to do with positive outcomes on the field. And whether it's God-given or it's just hard work ethic or a combination of all, great attitude. The bottom line, when he's on the field, things start looking really good. And every team has it. And some teams have it better than others. But the bottom line, this person is entitled to this award in full, because on defense, he was a beast in the middle and just controlled it. Offense, he can get back there and he can run, he can block with the best of them. And we needed 5 yards. It didn't matter who was on the defensive line, he'd get it. Just give the ball to him and let him run. And without any further ado, what can I say? Joey Mazzardi.
Joey.
Okay, those are all the players and the awards. Oh shoot, we gotta get, you guys don't leave. We got the pictures. Team photo, okay? Everybody's like that order. You got one?
Hey,
okay.
yeah.
Real cool.